Christina Chalin. I'm from Tanjore. I've completed BE Electronics and Communication in the year of 2019. After that, I was worked in non-IT sector. After that, I shifted my career to IT sector. So my brother referred me to join QSpiders. So I enrolled in QSpiders Chrompet in the Java Selenium course. And the first course I attended here is like SQL, info taken by Sanket sir. And after that, I joined in the manual testing course, which was taken by Mr. Chandrasekhar sir. He guided me in a very good manner, and he explained every things how the testing is happened in the real time. So in the meantime, I have an opportunity to attend interviews. So on that time, I have placed in a reputed company as a quality analyst. And I thank QSpiders for this beautiful journey, and my experience in QSpiders is very nice. Thank you all.